This video shows the results of a repair of a Stanley Record 92 rebate plane. This plane belongs to my brother-in-law, who has been a carpenter and joiner for well over 30 years. And this particular plane belonged to a man who taught him when my brother-in-law was an apprentice. Unfortunately, when my brother-in-law loaned it to somebody, they knocked it off the bench and the cast top was broken. My first repair, there was a fracture here and here. My first repair was to put a frame inside and screw it to the original casting, and that affected a repair which lasted a few months. Unfortunately, in use, another fracture appeared and the thing fell apart in my brother-in-law's hand. At this point, it was decided, because of the sentimental value of this plane, that we'd get a piece of 3/4 inch plate and machine a top from the solid. All the machining on this was done using a Clark CL50 lathe with milling head, and the milling head was used to mill out all these parts here and here and here, to face here, and to rough mill out this before it was finished with a Dremel, just to break the raw edges. The critical dimension for this is between here and here, such that when the plane is screwed together, you have a continuous flat sole of the plane, and there is an adjusting screw here which locates the body to enable the throat to be correctly spaced to allow the blade to come through. Obviously, this recess here must fit onto the plane body here. To locate and fix this adjusting screw, I had to make an extension to the 3.3mm tapping drill, and also extensions to the 4mm first cut, second cut and plug taps to drill and tap this hole. This plane is now hopefully restored, and with a bit of luck we're hoping it will be good for another 35 years plus of use. It may even be more resilient to being knocked off the bench. So that is a repair to a Stanley Record 92 rebate plane.